Okay, coming to another summary question here. So we are talking about, again, it's a very easy paragraph, nothing philosophical, and even the options are not difficult. Option A can be very easily eliminated. See, it gives us details that are not really required in a summary. A summary has to mention the most essential point of a paragraph. The most essential point of this paragraph says that there is an indigenous people's radio station, the first of its kind in Panama, right? And because of this, many Panamanians, they see this radio station as an important tool to defend their culture, their land, their social and economic rights. That's what the indigenous people are looking at it as. This bit is just details of how many indigenous people are there, that they speak different languages. This is just detail. This is not what will figure in a summary. So, A talks about those details. 500,000 indigenous people who make up 12% of the population speak different languages. It is giving them a collective voice. Uh, this would be a wrong way to put it actually. It is rather giving them a tool to defend the culture, land, and social and economic rights. Collective word has not really been there in the paragraph. This bit is important to mention, not mentioned in A. Eliminated. A is eliminated. Coming to option B, sorry. Um, Option B says historically Panamanians have received information from outside, but an indigenous radio station is giving an opportunity to them to defend their culture, land, and human rights. Okay, so all right. Historically, they have received information from the outside. Okay, we'll check this bit. Okay, let's look at C and D. They want to promote their cultures. This bit is not given. They're defending it. They're defending it. Want to promote it, distort it. Right. Panama's first indigenous peoples radio station has given an opportunity to indigenous Panamanians to defend their culture, land, and social and economic rights. Right. So, if you look at this bit, it is exactly what the last sentence says, which I said was important. Also, this part was important to state. It states this also. Now, if you look at B closely, it talks about human rights. When I compare B with D, I see this, that instead of social and economic rights, it says human rights, whereas that is not there in my paragraph. Okay, so that is why we eliminate option B. While this part was fine, this part was correct, it was this part that was wrong, and we mark option D, which is the most appropriate here. Again, in my opinion, this is not a tricky question. D is the answer here.